Mrs. Mavis Lucinda Sheila Brown. That is the name of my granny. And also she have enough name, and so she thought enough. You're in a room there complain about something else or the other.
Somebody tell me why something is not being done to remove the minibuses from off our street that have it dirty music them a play here in a people here as well. It cannot be right that I pay my money to travel and public transportation just so that the driver and the conductor can abuse me ears with their nasty music. The other day, I stopped one of them and tell them to let me off. No Jamaican should have to put up with loud, nasty music from public transportation. Public transportation! Anyway, long story short, the driver tapped the bus and me come off. But not before the conductor called me all sort and name to the cans. And some school picnic shout out how me days done. See ya, me this take one of the nice hair condition big yellow bus them. Me was so lucky, one seat been left, and me sit down beside one little high school girl who was paying more attention to her phone than anything else. Look, you know, the bus never reached nowhere before the Lily school picnic start play some of the same nasty music on she cell phone for the whole bus for hear. So me ask him kindly to turn it off because nobody don't wish to have them his whole abuse on the public transportation, especially not me. If them want to hear that sort of music, they must listen it in private. For the things that them talking about in the music is things that must happen in private. I cannot understand this generation. Private sinting become public sinting. Boy. One thing me have to say, me annoyed and me don't talk.
Join us again next time for more Granny Rant